Es gibt ein Haus in Neu-Berlin, man nennt es Haus Abendrot. Es war der Ruin vieler guter Jungs, von mir, mein Gott, litt ich Not.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Santos Police Department. At 10 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, there are reports of a gunman reported to be shooting at civilians in downtown Los Santos. It's unknown what the motive is at this time. All residents of Los Santos are advised to stay vigilant at this time. If you're in downtown Los Santos, leave the area immediately. If you see the armed gunman, run away immediately. Stay tuned to Weasel News for more updates on this developing situation. This is a shelter-in-place warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Los Santos Police Department. At 10:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, the FIB and IA buildings have exploded and have collapsed. In addition, the armed gunman still shooting in downtown Los Santos and has been identified. The gunman is Trevor Philips, a white male, a Canadian citizen, 6 feet 1/4 tall, has black hair, and was last seen wearing a gray boiler suit. The Los Santos police have concluded that the shootings in downtown Los Santos and the plane attack on the FIB and IA buildings are related. All residents of Los Santos are ordered to shelter in place at this time. Lock all doors and windows. Close all lights. If you see Trevor Philips, run away immediately. Stay tuned to Weasel News for more updates on this developing situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. At 11:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, the Union Depository, the Maze Bank and the Maze Bank Arena have exploded. In addition, the shooting in downtown Los Santos has stopped and the explosions have stopped. The Los Santos Police Department, the San Andreas State Police and the Federal Emergency Management Agency have confirmed that the shooting and bombing of downtown Los Santos are connected. All residents of Los Santos are ordered to continue the previous instructions as Trevor Philips is still on the loose. The mayor of Los Santos has ordered a state of emergency for all of Los Santos and Blaine County. The San Andreas National Guard is being deployed to the city to help police maintain law and order. If you see Trevor Philips, dial 911 immediately. Stay tuned to Weasel for more updates on this developing situation. This is an administrative message from the Office of the Mayor of Los Santos. At 06 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, Trevor Philips has been arrested by a joint police and National Guard team. The threat to Los Santos is over. You may exit your shelters. However, there is a lot of damage to the city of Los Santos. The Los Santos Police Department thanks you for your cooperation. We now return to regular programming.
Es gibt ein Haus in Neu-Berlin, man nennt es Haus Abendrot. Es war der Ruin vieler guter Jungs, von mir, mein Gott, litt ich Not. Hätt ich meinem Anführer zu